Hello to everyone, welcome back learning basic reading Tibetan language. Today we are in part 6. Tolma Nyerchik La De Pa. Praises to 21 Taras. Okay, let's start. Nya na nyen tha na ro tho sa the nyen the ranga rang ragata gaeta yala yal rang yal paeda changa chang cha shapju chu pa chup sa dingbo se ma sa sim chang chup sim nyen the rang yal chang chup sim sa naru so sa naru so sa kata ka yata kya dingbo ke ba naru bo so so kebo la sa naru so ka sa sok pa sa pe la sok pe so so keo la sok pe da shabju du sa du kau sa shabju su ma sum du sum dao ga dingbo ge wa ke wa cha kigu chi pao sa ka sa sak pa a kigu yi pe chi sak pe tu sum ge wa chi sak pe pao sa na ro so ta se na ma sa nam se nam la na kigu ni pao ta ka tak ya kigu yi ranga rang yi rang se nam la ni tak yi rang nyen the rang yal chang chup sem so so keo la sok pe tu sum ge wa chi sak pe se nam la ni tak yi rang. Okay, so this is the translation. Nyende rangje janju se so so ye wo la so pe tu sum ge wa chi sak pe so nam la ni tak yi rang. Okay, this is the translation of this prayer. And here is all literal translation. Literal each word. Nyente is a Sarvaka Buddha called like a Nyente. Rangyal is Pratyeka Buddha. Changchup, because in the prayer is a Changchup Sem. The literally Changchup Sem is like a bodhicitta. So is because in the prayer every line has to be, like a, you cannot add extra word like a nhìn thế rằng giờ chẳng chút same because every word has a same word. So if they put the chẳng chút same pa, it becomes extra. So they cut the pa. So sometimes people may not understand. chẳng chút same mean is referring to the bodhicitta, but here referring to the person. chẳng chút semba is the bodhisattva. The bodhisattva is the one who has a lot of compassion to help other sentient beings. It's the Changchup Sem. The literally is bodhisattva, and then the bodhisattva has a mind, Changchup Sem, that is the mind of caring, compassion, loving kindness, good that help to other people. That kind of Changchup Sem. Okay. So kyo is meaning is ordinary beings. So kyo is just ordinary people being so kyo. Like for example, like though so kyo, the ordinary people, get angry is just normal because it's ordinary people. Extraordinary people are like who practice and a lot of patience. People say bad things, never get angry, always smile, happy, something like that. Ordinary people, but it's just ordinary people, get angry. It's just normal. Okay, lasope mean it's like there are so and so on, so many lasope. There are so many. Du. Da should be do. So du is time. Sum. Also sum is three. Literally three times. Gyewa is a virtue. Chi is like whatever. Sakpa. Here sakpe. Accumulate. Hagyui is like connective particle. Okay. Swenam is like merit. It's all of them. The swenam is kind of like people good virtue things, like here is the merit. Someday is you are lucky, you're sonam chen. Okay, you are sonam chen mean you are lucky. You're very lucky. Something sonam. The sonam is something like people are very lucky. But here is sonam is like merit. The merit is something like you doing good thing, trying to help other people and trying to be a compassion. You're not harming. You're just helping other people. So this kind of action is called accumulate merit, good things. Sometimes because in my life so many bad things happening. Why? Because there is no the merit, good merit. And some then the people have so many things, good things happening. Other people always there are good things one after another. It's called as sonam chen, means they have a good karma, good merit in the previous life. Okay, la is like in this case. Ni is like the indicate the next subject indication, whatever the next subject in like introducing. Tak is a I. Yirang is like rejoice. Whatever other people doing good thing, rejoice, whatever. So here in this prayer is more like rejoicing. So what is rejoicing here is like a rejoicing of the like a nyente is like a Sarafaka Buddha is a nyente is like listen. There is a one types of Buddha. They don't need the teachers. Through their listen, they kind of achieve nirvana. And Rangel also similar. They same nyente Rangel. so they don't have teachers. They learn by themselves and become uh, achieve nirvana. So is that they can they can learn by themselves, but they cannot become enlightened. But they achieve a kind of a nirvana where they have perfectly, you know, peaceful happiness. There's no suffering, certain kind of things. Of course, there is so many things to learn about this, but I just want to introduce these things. Literally, is the Nyente Rangel is a Buddha that don't want to be in samsara. Only myself. I want to be just get rid, and I want to be get out of this samsara. Just I want to be just happy, and then not concern other people, not thinking other people, not just like bodhisattva. Bodhisattva, they don't think themselves. They bodhisattva think others people. So that is the difference. Okay. And Changchup Sem is bodhisattva, and Sosokyewo, just ordinary people. Last so here is the talking about the like Pratyeka Buddha, Sarvapaka Buddha, Pratyeka Buddha, and Bodhisattva, and just ordinary people who have done good thing, good karma, whatever they accumulated, whatever they did good thing, they had three times mean is whatever they had did in the past, whatever they are doing right now, and whatever doing in the future, whatever they accumulate good karma, I will rejoice whatever they're doing good thing. That is called the rejoicing of those Pratyeka Buddha and Sarvapaka Buddha and Bodhisattva, ordinary people who have been doing this good accumulated good karma in the past, present, in the future. And rejoice of those performing good merit. So that is called this prayer, rejoice. Okay. Okay, so you can see a link below this video. Click on the link and download PDF file. Enjoy learning. Dolma, okay? Jemajalyo. See you later. Bye for now. Take care.